My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah. My life be like times like these that make me say, yeah. Lord, if you see the bitch come my way.
Guys, we're back. Episode 11. Today we're gonna do the headlight upgrades. I'm gonna explain you a little bit what it means, the upgrade, how it works. I wrote down a schedule. I'm gonna explain it a little bit more. Gonna show you how I did it because I have to extend the wires also. My battery is in the back and all this stuff. Let's go. We're gonna get right into it. So I have my original schedule a little bit wrote down. So the basic what we have is we have a battery, we have our switch on the dashboard, or light switch. We have the fuse box, everything what's going on the fuse box. It really doesn't matter for the moment. This is the basics I wrote down, and then we have the headlight or headlights. This is a single one, and yeah, okay, the ground also to the headlight. So basically what we did, we worked with some micro relay switches, 4 pins, 25 amps, and so basically what I did, from the battery positive, from the 30 like they say, I take one cable and I put it in position 5 of the micro relay, as you can see. Also fuse it with a 15 amps fuse. Really important to fuse it, just extra security. Okay, then I put the ground of the battery on position 2 of the micro relay. So what's happening for the other pin positions? Well, it's very easy. You push your original switch on the dash. Everything goes in working in the fuse box. There's some wiring and stuff, but it's not important. And out of the fuse box, you're gonna search the positions of your headlight, but also your I don't know how you say. Yeah, here we say Fahren. Let me say our big lights, the flashlights. Yeah, that's the one I was searching for. It's 2 times the same schedule, so I'm gonna explain it just for the headlights. Yeah, you take this position and you put it right here. When you get here, when you get the power right here, you get the micro relay doing his thing. This switch is going down and it sends from position 3 right away here to the light bulb. So that's basically what it does. It's nothing really fancy or special, but the only thing you do is you take your power directly at the battery, so you get a much more powerful headlights. And also when your car is running, sometimes the Mark II Golfs can have this thing that they yeah, how you say it, they fade a little bit with the idling of the engine. Well, that's gone if you do the upgrade just like this. Okay, so enough talk, let's go straight into it. I hope it makes a little bit sense, and yeah, we're gonna see the result right now. So I also was asked to do a little bit of feature or a little bit of movie about how I hide the wires. Well, it's not completely done because as you can see, all the wiring is going through here, but it's still blank, so I need to make some layer now or a tube or something to get it waterproof. That's the next thing I need to do. But as you can see, I got two cones over here that's coming out. All the wiring from behind from the battery and the ECU and stuff, because I all extended it. My ECU is inside, as you know, and I had to extend it for about half meter or something, a few inches, but okay, it's going under here, as you can see. Inside I tried as good as possible. It's not completely done, as you can see over there. The oxygen sensors, I need to hide these wires also, and I need to make a little holder for these two connectors, but the only wire you can see right here is just these two. All the other ones I extended and they're coming over here, as you can see. Still not the clean look I wanted to, but when we're gonna finish it off with, I'm gonna take it a bit, I'm gonna make a holder, and the expansion tank is coming right here, and as you can see, then the wiring is almost as clean as possible, and it should do enough because the radiator is also coming here, right here somewhere, so that's something you're not gonna see. It's not, it takes a lot of time to clean the wiring, to get this clean engine bay, as you can see. It takes a lot of hours extending or shorten some cables. It's a whole lot of job, but when it's finished, you gotta see it looks sick. So that's for now, but I'm gonna keep you updated in the next videos about it. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. That was it for the electric cabling, the headlight upgrade, all this stuff. Next video I'm gonna make a little bit more about putting in the carpet, the windows. As you can see, it's already done, so the next movie is coming. Subscribe our movie, like our channel, follow us. The next movie is gonna be really quick, okay? I think a week, and then I have some time to put it all together, and you're gonna have a new episode. So guys, thank you, really thank you for all the support I'm getting. It means a lot to me. Spread the word. See you guys next time. Bye.